today's a little bit of a slow day. It's a little bit snow outside. Shop's a little slow. Car sales a little slow. Nothing's really happening today. This is, I guess, the beginning of December. Slow season has began. So what we're gonna do is this 2010 Chevy, I think it was a Chevy Cobalt. We had. I didn't notice after I bought it and even walking around it that those rockers were really rusted out. So I bought two rockers, and we're going to try to replace those. Never done that before. Like you know, we're a mechanic shop here, not a body shop. But we'll try to use our skills and our expertise to see if we can figure it out, how to get it out and put the new ones in. So we'll take you for the ride. We'll document a few clips of how we're getting that done. So hopefully you enjoy. Let's check it out. So what's your first move, Saul? We're gonna move the doors first? Yeah. Probably gonna take the doors out so we could access the rocker easier and separate here. Maybe cut it in the bottom. I see he's trying to take the back door out. Are we moving the front door too? You're gonna move both doors? Start with the back first and see. It's too dark for a video. Break the blade? So obviously we took the doors out now. Both of the doors, that's the best way to do it because the door is blocking access here. Chopped out the rocker. Okay, we still have to cut out this piece here going under, but you can see all that rust that was there. There's tons of rust. I'm gonna cut out this piece here as well. And then we're gonna just weld on the new rocker. The brand new one here. So we'll weld that on and then see how it goes. Keep attacking it, see what happens. This is just part one. We were unable to finish the entire job, but however, these are all just rough weldings for now. It will have to be grinded down smoothly, a little bit of body filler and painted and stuff. So we'll get this done soon. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you on the next one.